The air around us has mass and weight, and because it has mass and weight, it exerts a downward pressure due to the Earth's gravitational force on all the gas molecules. The air is a mixture of different gases, and each gas has its own molecular weight. Depending on where you are in the world, the composition of the air is going to vary, which naturally affects that downward pressure. Imagine you and a friend are standing on flat ground at sea level. When you look up towards the sky, even though you do not see it, there's a column of air coming down on the two of you. This column extends from sea level to about where the Earth's atmosphere ends. Throughout that column of air, the greatest amount of pressure is experienced on the ground where the two of you are standing. The air molecules are pounding on you and your friend, and we refer to this